We're starting off here. We have 3 girls listening to 4 songs, then talking about which ones they like. Now, no song is liked by all 3 girls, and for each pair of girls, there's at least one song out there those 2 girls like, other girl doesn't like. And we want to count how many different ways this is possible. And what we're talking about in this problem, what we're trying to count is the number of ways to make connections between girls and songs. Now, with counting problems about connections, I like to draw pictures. Specifically, I like to draw pictures we call graphs. Put a point for each girl, point for each song, and then we connect the points based on what songs, what girls like. Now, we'll start off here by picking a song that the first pair of girls like. So there's 4 songs over here they can choose from. Let's say they choose this one. So 4 ways for the first pair to choose. Then we'll move on to the next pair of girls. Say this one and this one. We'll make them red. This pair of girls can't like this song because then this song will be liked by 3 girls, by all 3 girls, and no song is liked by all 3 girls. So there are 3 choices for the second pair. And of course, that leaves us just 2 choices for the final pair. But what do we do about that last song that's sitting there? I mean, this last song, well, it can't be liked by all 3 girls. But it can be liked by, these 2 or these 2 or these 2 up here. That's 3 options. It could be liked by each one of these girls individually. That's 3 more options. Or it could be liked by no girls at all. So it looks like there's 7 ways, 7 things that we can do with this song out here. But if we put a 7 here, well, 4 times 3 times 2 is 24. Multiplying a 7, we get, let's see, 7 times 24, 140 plus 28 is 168. Not one of our choices. Note to the AMC, 168 would have been a really good distractor here. But that's clearly wrong. We can't put a 7 out here. We'll get 168. Not the right answer. Not one of the choices. Should have been, though. What's going wrong? Why can't we just multiply by 7 out here for the number of ways we can connect into that last point? Well, let's take a look at what happens if one of those options is these first 2 girls likes that last song as well, because these 2 girls can like 2 different songs. Now we see the problem with putting a 7 out here. We're going to have a 4 for them choosing their first song, and then we're going to count them grabbing this second song in the last pair. We can do that in the other order. We've got some double counting here. What if they chose this song as their first song that they both liked instead of that one? Got some double counting here. It's going to be kind of a problem. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to split into cases. I'm going to look at one case where we have a setup like this. We have one pair of girls that likes 2 songs. And then we're going to look separately at what happens if there's no pair of girls that likes 2 songs. So we'll look at each of these cases, and just as we did before, we'll draw a picture. Girls, songs. Here are 3 girls. Here are 4 songs. And there's one pair that likes 2 songs. Of course, we have to start off by choosing that pair of girls. There are 3 pairs to choose from. So we have 3 ways to choose which pair of girls likes 2 songs. And then once we've chosen that pair, there are 4 songs over here, so there are 4 choose 2 ways to choose their songs. Now once we've done that, we've got 2 remaining pairs of girls. Each one has to get a song. So the first pair has 2 choices. And then of course the remaining pair just gets that last song that hasn't been chosen yet. So the remaining pair, that's these 2, gets the last song. And then we just multiply this out. 3, 4 choose 2 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18, times 2 is 36. So there are 36 ways the girls can like their songs if there's one pair that likes two songs. Now let's take a look at our other case. Once again, we draw a picture. Girls, songs. 3 girls, 4 songs. We call these pictures graphs. Big, rich area of math called graph theory. It has to do with drawing graphs, points, connections. Here we have no pair likes 2 songs. All right, once again, we'll start off with our first pair of girls. They have 4 choices. And that means our second pair has 3 choices. And then our third pair has 2 choices. Now what's going on with that last song? We know this last song can't be liked by 2 girls, can't be liked by all 3 girls either. It can be liked by just 1 girl, or it can be liked by no girls at all. So our final song has 4 options. And here we have no overcounting because there's no way 2 girls likes this song. It's either 1 girl, one of these 3 girls, or no girls at all. There are 4 possibilities. So we have 4 times 3 times 2 is 24. Times 4 gives us 96 ways to allocate the girls to the song such that no pair likes 2 songs. So we got 96 in this case. We add it to the 36 in this case, and we get our answer, 132. And we're done.